Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to restore a headlight. I don't know how much of it you can see in the picture here. But I'm going to show you guys a quick tutorial on what I use to get this done. And hopefully you can find it helpful. First we're going to apply Mutters mag and aluminum polish. We're going to apply that all over this light, give it a little bit of rub in, and leave it to sit for a few minutes. So as you can see, I have this applied. I put it kind of thick. Let this sit for a few minutes. Then we're going to go ahead and buff it up with a microfiber cloth. You're going to get yourself a microfiber cloth like this, and you're going to dive in here and start working this circular motion. And so you keep working this until you get it all off. Alright. I promise you this is not a clickbait video. This is instant results just off that one coat. You see the other side I still have to do. I still have to rub this off. So go ahead and clean this completely off. Work this other side until you get all of it off. It's hard to do it with one hand a little bit. Here's your finished look of just applying the first product. There is a step 2. Stick around to see the step 2. Finished look. Now the next product, guys, is this Megar's Gold Class Carnauba Plus Premium Max, okay? Like this. Take this punch out from here. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Dab this punch right in here, like this. Come to the headlight. Rub it on like this. Be generous. So what this is your protectant or your shield. This helps it last for, on my car, anywhere from 6 to 12 months. It takes less than 20 minutes to do, or less than 15 minutes altogether. Now you're gonna let this sit here for about a minute or two. Meanwhile, you dip your sponge again. Come over here to this light. So for less than 20, maybe less than 30 bucks, maybe on Amazon. I haven't bought these in a couple of years. I've been using this container for the past, these 2 containers for the past 2 or 3 years. Alright, like I said, it lasts anywhere from 8 months to a year on my car. One application. My car has been sitting in the driveway every day in the rain, in the sun. Right now it's almost 100 degrees outside. No garage kept. Okay guys, once this is here on here for, that's your finished headlight in the first one. We'll do the second one. I thought the first one was recording, it's not. Alright, so this is your first one, second one. So you take yourself a clean microfiber cloth if you have to, if you can. And you start buffing away on this light like this. Okay. No special machine, no special buffer, nothing of that sort. Right. And all hand, you're using your hand, you're not using no special tools, no big special tools. You're not damaging your car, you're not damaging your headlight. I mean, I know I got a little bit of overspill here, but like I said, it's almost 100 degrees out here and I'm trying to do this as fast as possible. You can do more than one buff of the first product, then you apply the second product very generously. Then you use that. There's your finish. My phone keeps cutting off for me, guys, and I think it's recorded and it's not. So anyway, the link for these products will be in the description. This company for these products did not sponsor this video. It's not a sponsored video by any means. I'm just like I say in my videos, like and subscribe, and I'll bring you more content. And this is what I'm doing for you guys. If you wanted to do a quick headlight restoration that lasts anywhere from 8 to 12 months, and it works. Right? You'll be doing this on your own responsibility, your own risk. If you decide to try it, there's the headlight. It's the finish. Nice, beautiful, crisp finish. All right. Takes no more than about 10 minutes, 15 minutes max. Okay. Like I said, I'll leave the link in the description if I can find this product again, from Amazon. Like I said, I bought it like 2-3 years ago, so that's what I've been using till now. So for less than 20-30 bucks maybe, I don't know what the price is now, you can have yourself a nice clean finish headlight. Please like, subscribe, and share the video.